welcome everyone. So, this is our first chapter, Know Your Computer. Previously, I discussed about the early calculation gadgets and the evolution of the computer. So, now I am going to discuss on the topic of classification of computers. There are four types of computers mainly. On the basis of the size and the speed of their computers, we classified themselves. They are microcomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, and supercomputer. So, what is microcomputer? Microcomputers are also known as personal computers because they are used as personal uses or as for personal uses. These computers are consist of CPU, primary and secondary memory, input and output devices. Only one person can use those at a time. It has slow speed and less memory capacity than mainframe and mini computers. Some examples of microcomputer are desktop, laptop, tablet, smartphone. Here desktop are non-portable microcomputer. That means it fixed on a desk. That's why it is called desktop. Laptops are portable computer. We can place it at our lap. That's why it is called laptop. Tablets are also portable computer with the touchscreen facility. And just like stylus, we can draw using smart pen, light pen, and the smartphone. This is the main. This is actually our mobile phones, and now we are habituated with the smartphone very much. We can prepare our videos, take photos, and many other things with the smartphones. And nowadays smartphones are used for access internet, something upload and download from internet, and many other things. Now it is mainframe computer. Mainframe computers are very large in size, often filling up an entire room. Many users can work together at the same time on these computers. Mainframes are costly than microcomputers. Their storage capacity is larger than microcomputers. They are also faster than the microcomputers. They are divided into some small terminals. Large organizations, universities, government agencies, big hospital, airline companies, etc. used mainframe computers. Mini computers. Mini computers are larger than microcomputers but smaller than mainframe computer. So we can call it also mid-range computer. It has some same features like mainframe but it's in less amount. It has also some terminals like mainframes but it in less amount. Its storage capacity and speed more than microcomputer but less than mainframe computer. Medium and small business organizations, colleges, etc. are used mini computers. Now the supercomputer. Supercomputers are big, powerful and faster computers than other categories of computers. They are designed for only to serve a single task, while mainframes are designed to serve a number of purposes. They are used in graphic animation, weather forecasting, nuclear research work, petroleum research work, cryptanalyzation, molecular modeling, etc. So today this much. Thank you.